What up, Nick?
Yo, man. I saw the bike. It looks good.
Appreciate that, man. I mean, Renee killed that paint job. I'm in love with this thing.
What's with all the X's and them X'd out eyes, though?
I don't know, man. That's kind of like just what I relate to now. People be doing me wrong so much. Like, that's kind of just me now.
That shit seemed dark.
It ain't necessarily dark, but don't you know how, like, sometimes you just feel disconnected from everything and everybody? Like, I just be in my own world, my own zone.
I get it.
I just been getting sick of people trying to take advantage of me and shit. Like,
well, fuck them then.
Man, you ain't gonna believe this. It's some chick standing next to my bike right now.
What she look like?
I ain't paying her no attention, man. I gotta go. Hey, I'll hit you up later.
All right. Be safe out there.
It's been a long ride. I believe God had to put me through hell so that I could learn me a lesson.